Hello everyone, in this video we will make a world clock for different time zones. We will connect to internet using ESP32 with built-in Wi-Fi and pull time from NTP server and display multiple time on LCD display. We will use interrupt request. Please follow schematics properly. We will use ESP32W room 32D, I2C 16x2 LCD display, and pull simple switch circuit. We will include wire.h, liquid crystal I2C.h, Wi-Fi.h, and time.h. Make instance of liquid crystal I2C library and pass 0x27, 16, and 2. Now define variable interrupt pin with value 12. And define variable INTP value and set value 0. Define variable SSID, password, and NTP server. Define variable GM offset and daylight offset. Define months variable for storing shorthand month name. Define days variable for storing shorthand day name in a week. Now define ISR function. This function will be called when interrupt pin is triggered. Inside setup function, we will initialize LCD and turn on the display. We will display basic text on first and second row of LCD with delay. Now we will work for connecting to internet using and use Wi-Fi.h library. We will pass SSID and password to begin method. In while loop, we will wait until we are connected to internet. We display message after it is connected to Wi-Fi. We will call init time and pass UTC 0 as argument and discuss shortly. After init time function is called, we will disconnect the Wi-Fi. We declare interrupt pin, which is pin 12, and make it input pin. And we will call attach interrupt method. We will pass interrupt pin and ISR function and rising to it. ISR function is called when input at pin 12 changed from low to high. I have already created a video on interrupt in Arduino Uno. Please watch it if in confusion. Inside a loop function, we will shift between 3 time zone, Nepal, Australia, and Canada. We will use switch case syntax. When int p-value is 0, we will display date, time for Nepal. When value is 1, we will display date, time for Australia, and on default we will display date, time for Canada. Inside setup function we called init time function. First make a structure tmtime info. There inside time info we have many parameters. We will first connect to NTP server using config time function. Here GM offset and daylight offset is 0 and NTP server URL. Visit support.ntp.org if you want to use different server URL for your location. And we will call time zone function and pass argument. Inside set time zone function, we will set environment TZ with time zone string value and set it. We will use print local time function to display different time zone date and time in a formatted way. Please refer to code carefully. We pass time zone and city name as argument. On first row, we display country and city information followed by day name and day number. On second row, we display month followed by year, and later we display time in 12-hour format. Select the ESP32 dev board. Now upload the code. Now on each button press, ISR function is called and integer p-value is changed and different date time is displayed for each time zone. This is simple demonstration for displaying different time zone, and we rely on NTP server for collecting time after ESP32 board is powered on. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. Help us grow.